You're probably asking yourself, how can you lose weight on a cruise? On a cruise, don't you just go from buffet to buffet? Hi everybody, I'm Cathy and I'm here to tell you how I plan to lose weight while on a 10-day Caribbean cruise. I love to cruise and I'm so happy that I am going on a cruise. It's the first time I've been away in the last 2 years. For me, going on a cruise, I'm actually much more active on the cruise than I am when I'm at home. Because I live in Canada, it's been a horribly cold winter this year, very icy, very difficult to get outside and walk without falling and slipping. So actually when I am on a cruise ship, I am so happy because first of all, the ocean is my happy place. Number two, I love palm trees, I love beaches, and I just feel at peace and so happy and not stressed when I'm out in the middle of the ocean, on a boat, on a ship. So if you want to follow along and watch me as I plan to lose 50 pounds as a 53-year-old woman in 2022, click that subscribe button and go and check out my weight loss playlist in case you missed my other videos in this series. How do I plan on losing weight while I'm at sea for 10 days? Simple. Move more. I am so active when I'm on a cruise. First of all, the ship that we're going on has a very lovely wraparound promenade deck made out of teak wood, which means you can do laps around the ship. This particular ship I think is around 900 feet long. So I've packed my running shoes and I'm going to do 30 minutes a day of walking around that beautiful promenade deck. It's so lovely just walking, being close to the water, hearing the waves crash against the ship. Sometimes you'll see a seabird coming in for a landing and they sit on the railing and just watch the people. Oh, it's heaven. So I'm much more happier whenever I am cruising than I am sitting at home in the cold. Another thing that I do when I'm on a cruise, I'm always in the pool. I'm doing water aerobics. If it's a port day, I'm in the ocean at the beach from like 8 in the morning till it's time to get back on the ship. I am so happy when I'm on a cruise. Cruise ships today have gorgeous gyms and they're outfitted with the newest and the greatest exercise machines. They have personal trainers on board. They have classes that you can take. I have taken some classes in the past. I much prefer to walk outside than to be stuck inside in a gym because I can be stuck inside on my own treadmill at home. So I'd rather be outside walking around. I'm just more active. And when you're on a cruise ship, usually the dining room is either at the back or the front, depends on the cruise line, and the theater is at the opposite end. So you have to walk from end to end to either get to the dining room, to the theater, or vice versa. So for me, I'm going to bring my Yeti cup with me and just keep drinking water all day. I don't drink alcohol. I will have a Diet Coke with my lunch. Yeah, I won't be getting any added calories with any alcohol. And for a lot of people, I think when they're on a cruise, that's where they do overindulge and that can lead to weight gain. So I don't have at least that to worry about. Sure, you can put on weight on a cruise if that's what you want to do, but I don't want to. To me, cruising is not about the food. It's about getting out on the ocean, going to new places, meeting new people, and it's just about relaxing and just taking a break. Things have just been really hectic and stressful since the beginning of this year in my personal life, and I'm just looking forward to getting away. Just I think by me being more active is just going to, if not help me lose weight, at least I'm going to be consistent and stay the same weight. So I'll let you know how it goes. So subscribe so you can see my 2-month weight loss check-in at the end of March. So I am going to enjoy myself on this long overdue cruise holiday. I'm not going to stress about losing weight, but I am going to make an effort to be more active, and I'm hoping that that will at least just keep me at my current weight or help me lose a pound or two. The goal is not to put any weight on. I'll be happy if I just stay the same. I also have a lot of cruise videos that I have planned. If you love to cruise or you're curious about what it's like on a cruise, you'll want to stay tuned and check out those videos that I have coming up. So let me know if you have ever went on a cruise and have lost weight, and if you have any bonus tips that I have missed that can help me along the way. So I hope that you've enjoyed hearing about my plan to not put any weight on this cruise, and I hope that you'll come back and check out my cruise videos whenever I get back. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.